Good morning everyone, welcome to my channel Runa Malik, and today I will advertise my favorite product, which is the National Geographic's Ultimate Read But True series. This book is perfect for a child and will help him improve his vocabulary and also improve his reading skills, as this book is written in very simple language and is available everywhere. This book is for all age groups and is best suited for people who are in school because it is very educational and teaches children fun facts like, for example, did you know that Albania has 27 words for mustache and every inch of your skin is crawling with 32 million bacteria? This book will help you fulfill your thirst for knowledge, and you can buy it at Amazon, Flipkart, or any bookshop nearby. Thank you and have a nice day. And don't forget to subscribe and